Do you want to know how you can add QuillBot to your Gmail? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add QuillBot on your Gmail. The first step is to open any type of browser and then search for QuillBot on your extension. So go ahead and go to extension and click on Get Extensions for Microsoft Edge. Go to the search bar and search for QuillBot and tap on this icon over here. Click on Add Extension and this QuillBot will be added to your browser. Now let's go ahead and open our Google account or Gmail. Then go ahead and go to Compose, and as soon as you go to Compose, you can see the QuillBot option. If you tap on it, you can see the settings as well. You can see that if you tap on it, you can paraphrase some of the errors. If you go to this, you can see that the paraphrase options are over here and you can use it quite easily. So guys, this is how you add QuillBot to your Gmail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.